Hey, so today I wanted to share with you some quick and easy solutions for your everyday life with my small utility tote. So as you know, my small utility tote is on sale this month for $10. Actually, you can get 2 of them for $10 with every $35 spent. So I'm going to share with you some solutions, and I'm also going to share some bundles to help you get 2 small utility totes for $10. Okay, so the first one is one of my favorites, and I actually fell in love with the solution last year when we went to the beach. So what I did was I grabbed my deluxe utility tote. This is our big mama of utility totes, and what I did was I paired it on the inside with 2 small utility totes, okay? So what I did when we were packing up for the beach is I put my 2 small utility totes down on the inside. I put our groceries in here, and then in the other one I had like paper products like toilet paper, paper towels, things you need to take with you to the condo. And so I took it just like this, and then when we got to the beach, what I did was I unloaded the groceries and I unloaded the paper products, and then we had 2 small utility totes at the beach. So my mom and my grandmother used one of these, and then myself and my little girl used the other, and I loved it because all of our stuff fit inside of here. So it was super easy, and then it's not like you're not carrying some big old beach bag where you're knocking people over going down the hall. I fit our towels, our snacks, our sunscreen, everything we needed. Then I even had 2 water bottles right here in the front. So this is such a perfect solution set. So this deluxe utility tote is $50. So of course that is your qualifier, and then you get 2 of these small utility totes for $10 each. And I love this too, like if you go to Aldi's, you know, they don't have bags, you have to take your own bags. So this is the perfect solution for Aldi's or carrying groceries too. And I love these small utility totes because you know, we pack some of these larger totes so big we can't carry them. So if we, you know, use these little ones, we can carry more groceries that way. So this is the perfect little solution set there, okay? My next solution set is I'm actually going to use this same one again. These are the green cabana stripe. It's actually going away. I'm so sad. So you could also pair this with our Fresh Market Thermal. Our Fresh Market Thermal is a huge seller in the summertime. It's got a leak lock lining, which means you can put ice directly in here. So when you're going to the beach, you're going to the pool, you're going on the boat on the lake this summer, this is the perfect solution for you. And this Fresh Market Thermal can actually hold your crock pot. Like my entire crock pot could fit in here. So you get the Fresh Market Thermal at regular price, and then get 2 matching small utility totes for $10 each. So this is such an amazing deal, and I love that you can get a coordinating set. Or if you just want this Fresh Market Thermal for yourself, you want a small utility tote for yourself, that second one that you get for $10, I mean, you could give that as a gift. So that is such a fun idea as well. And then I'll set those 2 aside, and I'll move on to this one. So this little small utility tote could be like your mom on the go bundle, your sports bundle. You know, we're all the time somewhere with our kids, our grandkids, and we need things with us, and we're carrying like 15 bags. Why not condense everything, okay? So this little solution set is for the mom on the go at the ballpark, wherever you're going. So you got the small utility tote here, and of course our small utility totes have pockets right here. All right, so you can pair this with a cinch sack for your kids. Our kids love cinch sacks. I think my son probably has 4 of them. We've got one with a basketball, one with his name on it. He loves them. So you got our cinch sack. Of course, you cinch it up on the top and you can wear it on your back. These are great for amusement parks, great for a change of clothes. That's a lot with my son. Basketball clothes, basketball shoes, so many things. And then you could pair this with a thermal tote, a matching thermal tote. This is great for your kids. I actually, on the inside here, have 6 water bottles in here. Can you guys see that? 6 of these 16.9 ounce water bottles in here. So this is a great little solution set. This is 18. This is 20, so that would be your qualifier. Then you could get this small utility tote for $10. You actually get 2 of these for $10. So that's a great little solution set just to be an on the go. And of course you can carry carry the small utility tote with these two inside, or you could carry them separately, but at least you have everything together. Another solution set that I have for you guys is when you're traveling, of course, to the beach or really wherever you're going, you can get our hanging traveler case. So this is one of our hanging traveler cases. I do not travel without this. Whether I'm flying, whether I am driving, I do not go anywhere without my hanging traveler case overnight. So you unzip this all the way around, and you have storage here. You have places here to keep things, mesh pockets, full-size shampoo bottles fit in here. So this is $35, this hanging traveler case. This could be your qualifier. Then you could get 2 of the small utility totes for $10 each. You guys, do you see a pattern? I mean, this is so amazing. Some of our products, you can get a couple of things to be your qualifier, or just one item could be your qualifier. Get one of these for your husband. It comes in that charcoal print. And so it's like manly. My husband loves his, or that 24/7 case is a great little shaving kit kind of case for your man. So a great travel set as well. Get the hanging traveler case and a small utility tote. All right, the next one that I have for you guys, this is in the Elephant Parade. Look how gorgeous this is. I love it. So you could pair this with of course, all about the Benjamin's wallet. It fits perfectly right on that front pocket. Do you guys see? I mean, it's just like this pocket was made for a Benjamin's, don't you think? I think so. And then, of course, you can add your wristlet strap on here. So whether you are taking things in work, you've got your wallet in here. You can put your phone right here too in front of your wallet. Your phone would fit in here, and your keys. And then all those things that you're carrying into work. Put your lunch in here, your files, whatever the case may be. So get your Benjamin's wallet. This would qualify you for 2 small utility totes. All right, the next little bundle that I have is I'm actually going to use this same small utility tote. And as you can see on the inside, I have a fold-in file in here. So if you're a teacher, if you are a realtor, if you're taking things to and from, work and home, all these files, a fold-in file fits inside the small utility tote, so your hanging file folders will fit in here. So the fold-in file is $25. Then you could pair it with a mini zipper pouch. Cute little mini zipper pouch. These are $12. That would be your qualifier. And then you got your 2 small utility totes for $10. Keep one for you, give one as a gift. So I love this idea. And my last idea for you is for like another beach bundle set. Okay, so we have the this is the sling back bag. It's kind of like flat because I've had it folded flat, but my iPhone 8 Plus will fit in here in this little pocket. Then I'll keep my keys in this pocket right here. You have mesh pockets on the side, will hold a water bottle. Then on the inside, you can keep all of your essentials in here. So you can use this as crossbody like this. Your hands free with all your things in the back, and then maybe this could be like your picnic thing. You could have your food and your snacks, bread, plates, water bottles in here, and then that is a perfect solution set for you guys as well. So I hope I've kind of given you your brain maybe going like, oh, I could use it for this, this, and this. But you don't have to just limit yourself on these small utility totes. When you get it, with a purpose of one thing, when you get it, use it for everything. That's what I love to tell my customers. Don't get it, buy it, and then put it in a closet. Get it out and use it, and you will be so thankful that you did, because these products are so functional. So remember, in February, for every $35 that you spend, you can get 2 small utility totes for $10 each. If you've enjoyed watching this video and you're watching on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel. Right below, just ring that little bell down there. And then if you do not have a consultant, a 31 consultant, please join my customer group on Facebook. I'll link it below. That way you can join. You'll have to answer 2 questions, and then I'm going to send you a personal message. So make sure you check your messages to see that from me, and then hopefully we'll get you added to my customer group. I'd love to be your consultant. And if you're like, hey, she's doing this in her basement, I think I could do that. I'd love to talk to you about the 31 opportunity. So have a great day, y'all. Happy February.